Hello. In the previous lecture, we seen introduction of screw jack assembly. When we doing the assembly, we should start with the part. So, in this lecture, we are going to draw or develop the first part of screw jack assembly, that is screw jack body. Go to the start, mechanical design, part design. In this, we have given or we should give the name of this part as screw jack body. Automatically the part name is appear or left of the screen, that is screw jack body. We will start to draw this geometry in the sketcher module. Go to the YZ plane or vertical plane, go to the sketch. We will draw first the axis or center axis. With reference to this center axis, we are going to draw this geometry. Select the profile. This is the basic shape of the geometry. After this, we are going to give the dimensions, that is constraint. Select the constraint. This is the 20. This is height is 20. This is 20. Thereafter, this is 50 and this is the 70. 1070. This is 3. 3. This is 50. And this is the 70. Okay. Then this is the parallel line. This line and this line are parallel. Select both lines. Go to the constraint defined dialog box. Parallel. Okay. Then after this is 2. This and this is 2 mm, or this line is 2 mm or 2 mm. Okay. Then the total height is 40. This height is the 40. This is 40. Then this is 25. 25 and 35. This is 35 and this is a 25. Escape to cancel. Select this line, and this is a 25. The 10, then this is a 50, 70, the total height is 185. Total height is 185. Then 73. This is 50. This line to this line is 50. This line, this center line to this point, it is a 50. Again, it is a 50. This is the 50. Center line to this, it is a 50. Total is 100. Geometry is completed. The geometry is completed. Then go to the exit workbench. Okay. In this, we are going to use the shaft tool for revolving this profile around the vertical axis. This is the shaft tool. Select the shaft tool. In this, the shaft definition, the angle of rotation, it is asked about the angle of rotation. We want the rotation of 360 degree. Okay. Don't change the second angle. Don't change the second angle. It is asked for profile or surface selection. No selection. We are going to select this profile to rotate, and the selection, or it is axis, or it is asked about the axis. Axis means by reference to that axis it is revolved. So I am going to select the vertical axis, or V, vertical axis, then preview. Okay, this is the 3D model of screw jack body. Again, we are going to see how we can use the shaft tool. This is our profile. Go to the shaft. Here first angle is 360 degree, second angle is 0 degree. Means 360 degree means we want closed loop. Closed loop means that start point and end point are coincident. So we want the closed loop. Second angle is 0. Select the profile. This is our profile. Okay. Then axis or axis about which the profile should be rotated. We select we are going to select the vertical axis. Okay, preview. Okay, this is our screw jack body. Okay, after which we are going to give the fillet of 8 of radius 8 to this corner. That is, we are going to give the fillet or round fillet to this edge. Select this edge, go to the edge fillet, go to the edge fillet, select the edge fillet and give the radius at which, or give the radius by which we want the edge fillet. Here it is given 8, radius of 8, give the radius 8, preview. Okay, we can see here the edge fillet or circular fillet is appeared. In the same way, we are going to give the fillet to this edge, inner edge. Okay, select this edge, go to the edge fillet, give the edge fillet of 1.5 mm, preview. Okay, in the same way we give the edge fillet to this edge. Precaution is taken during the selection of edge because multiple edges should be selected automatically, so keep the one edge selected only. This is one edge, give the edge fillet 1.5, give the radius of 1.5, preview. Okay, this is our screw jack body. In this way we have completed the screw jack body of screw jack assembly. To save this part, go to the file, then save or save as, click on the save as, create the folder of screw jack assembly by clicking right click, give the name to the folder as a screw jack assembly. In this folder we will save this body or called as screw jack body. Thank you all.